fire.
You just move to and fro. You are stagnant one place, but I see heaven descending now. By fire, I declare, let the spiritual padlock be broken now. Be broken now. Be shattered now. I heard God here, sir. I heard God here, sir. There is a businessman watching me.
Yes, sir.
In that his line of business, there is a man that dropped something
that's
here.
Right, that's right.
In the realm of the spirit.
Yes, sir.
And they vow that any customer that enters here will not return back the second time. Any man that enters here will not return the second time. My God, but I know there is a God that's in charge over the affairs of men, for the earth is of the Lord and the fullness hereof. And I speak from here as a priest. Whatever has been buried